Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into the world of UPTOP, the League of UPTOP token, a new cryptocurrency coin. We'll explore how to buy it using BNB, BSC, MEXC Global, Binance, and understand its place within the blockchain meme coin landscape. Before we begin, it's crucial to remember that cryptocurrency investment carries inherent risks. This isn't financial advice, so please conduct your own thorough research before investing any money. We'll be highlighting the meme coin aspect of UPTOP and its potential for building a strong and engaged community. What exactly is UPTOP? Well, it's a cryptocurrency that's often categorized as a community token or even a meme coin. The purpose of tokens like UPTOP can vary, but often they're focused on building a strong community and offering some kind of fun or engagement for holders. As for its origin or story, UPTOP likely has a unique creation tale that contributes to its appeal. And if it's connected to a League of UPTOP, that suggests there's an underlying narrative or lore that adds another layer of interest. Finally, let's touch on tokenomics, which is the breakdown of the coin's economics. Key elements here are the total supply of UPTOP, meaning the maximum number of coins that will ever exist, and the distribution, which outlines how those coins were initially allocated. T's delve into understanding BNB, which is Binance Coin, and the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. BNB is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, and it's used primarily for paying fees within the Binance ecosystem. You'll also need BNB to participate in certain Binance activities. Now, the Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain network that runs parallel to the original Binance chain. Importantly, BSC is compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, also known as EVM, which allows it to support smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. A major benefit of BSC is that it generally offers lower transaction fees when compared to the Ethereum network. The reason UPTOP is likely built on the Binance Smart Chain is to take advantage of these lower fees and faster transaction times. Acquire BNB. Let's explore several straightforward methods. Option 1 involves Binance, where you'll start by creating an account, followed by the crucial step of verifying your identity through the KYC process. Once verified, you can deposit fiat currency, such as USD or Euro, or other cryptocurrencies you may already own. With funds in your account, you're all set to purchase BNB. Alternatively, Option 2 presents various other exchanges that offer BNB, including platforms like Coinbase and Kraken. The process remains consistent. Create an account, verify your identity, and then proceed to purchase BNB. Lastly, Option 3 introduces P2P trading via Binance P2P platform, enabling you to buy BNB directly from other users. However, it's essential to exercise caution and utilize escrow services to ensure a secure transaction. Get started with UPTOP. You'll first need a BSC-compatible wallet. This is crucial for interacting with the Binance Smart Chain where UPTOP is traded. MetaMask is a popular and easy-to-use option, available as a browser extension and a mobile app. Begin by downloading and installing MetaMask on your preferred device. After installation, it's vital to secure your wallet with a strong password and, most importantly, safeguard your seed phrase, as this is the key to recovering your wallet. Finally, you'll need to configure MetaMask to connect to the Binance Smart Chain. To do this, manually add a new network with the following details. The network name should be Binance Smart Chain. The new RPC URL is https://bsc-datazd.binance.org. The chain ID is 56. The symbol is BNB. And the block explorer URL is https://bscscan.com. Get started with UPTOP. You'll first need to transfer some BNB to your MetaMask wallet. Begin by withdrawing BNB from Binance or another exchange that you use. When withdrawing, carefully use your MetaMask Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, address as the destination for the transfer. It's extremely important to double-check that address to ensure it's completely accurate before proceeding. Once you're sure the address is correct, confirm the transaction and then patiently wait for the transfer to fully complete on the blockchain. Buy UPTOP on PancakeSwap or any other decentralized exchange. The first step is to go to PancakeSwap, which is a DEX that operates on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet directly to the PancakeSwap platform. It's important to make sure you have enough BNB in your wallet. This will cover both the cost of the UPTOP you're buying and the associated gas fees for the transaction. Then, locate the contract address for the UPTOP token, making sure you verify it on official sources such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap for security. Use this verified contract address to import the UPTOP token into PancakeSwap. Now you can swap your BNB for UPTOP tokens. Remember to set the slippage tolerance, typically around 1 to 3%, but it might need to be higher when dealing with meme coins due to price volatility. Finally, confirm the transaction and be prepared to pay the gas fees to finalize your purchase. Right, let's talk about buying UPTOP on MEXC Global, assuming it's listed there. First, you'll want to confirm that UPTOP is indeed available on MEXC Global's exchange. Next, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global. Once you've done that, you'll have to verify your identity through their KYC or Know Your Customer process. After verification, deposit either BNB or USDT into your MEXC Global account. Then, search for the specific trading pair, either UPTOP/BNB or UPTOP/USDT. Now you're ready to place a buy order, choosing between a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Finally, carefully confirm the details of your order before submitting it. Staying on Binance is a major goal for many crypto projects, but it's important to remember that a listing for UPTOP is not guaranteed. Generally, for a token to be listed on Binance, the project behind it must meet a very specific set of listing requirements. Community support and healthy trading volume also play a vital role in their decision-making process. Ultimately, Binance carefully reviews all applications and decides which tokens they will add to their platform. If UPTOP were to be listed, you would be able to buy it directly on Binance through their simple purchase interface, making it easily accessible to a large number of users. Here are some of the risks and considerations to keep in mind when dealing with meme coins. First, remember that volatility is extremely high, and meme coins can lose value very quickly. Also, beware of potential scams, including fake tokens and rug pulls, which can leave you holding worthless assets. Liquidity can also be an issue, as low liquidity makes it difficult to both buy and sell these tokens. Finally, and most importantly, always do your own research, or DYOR, and thoroughly investigate the project before investing any of your money. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the process for buying the UPTOP token. Remember, we've gone over the steps involving BNB, the Binance Smart Chain, and potentially using exchanges like MEXC Global or Binance. It's crucial to reiterate that investing in cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins like UPTOP, carries significant risks. Market volatility can lead to substantial losses, so please be aware of these potential downsides. We highly encourage you to participate in the UPTOP community, but always prioritize responsible investment practices. With that in mind, why not join the League of UPTOP? Just remember to invest responsibly and do your own thorough research before making any decisions.